Hey everyone. If you want to use Microsoft Word for office work in 2026, like writing reports, creating letters, and making professional documents, this video is for you. I'll show you step by step how to use Microsoft Word for office work. First, open Microsoft Word and choose a professional template. This helps you save time and gives your document a clean structure from the start. Next, start writing your office content. This includes reports, meeting notes, business letters, and other work documents. Now use headings and subheadings. This makes your document organized and easy to read for colleagues and clients. After that, insert tables for data. Tables are very important for office reports, budgets, and structured information. Next, format your document properly. Adjust fonts, spacing, and alignment to make everything look clean and professional. Now, add images or charts if needed. This helps present data visually in reports and business documents. After that, use spell check and grammar tools. This ensures your document is error-free and professional. Finally, save your file and export it as PDF. PDF is the standard format for sharing Office documents safely. So yeah, that's how you use Microsoft Word for office work step by step in 2026. Follow each step carefully and you'll be able to create professional documents easily. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more productivity tutorials for fast and easy guides. Hey everyone!